Our digital world has come to us in phases. The first phase being Web 1 in the early 90s and then Web 2 in the early 2000s. When we think about it, we truly can't predict what's coming for us in Web 3. With virtual worlds expected to be the core of our internet connectivity, Web 3 will change how our digital worlds come together. So how will the future of Web 3 go hand in hand with the other advancements of this time, such as the metaverse, crypto, NFTs, gaming, artificial reality, and virtual reality? Without further ado, let's look at why Web 3 will be such a game changer. Metaverse. The metaverse will be our digital universe, which will have people interacting with each other, owning land and other items, and building digital relationships like never before. However, as close as they might seem, the metaverse and Web 3 run parallel. In the metaverse, users will interact with each other and virtual items present in 3D environment. The internet will be shaped into a three-dimensional workspace with which people can interact and be a part at will. There will also be buying and selling virtual goods between parties where they can interact with each other in real time. Furthermore, elements like connection, interfaces, decentralization, a flourishing economy, and advanced technologies will be a part of the metaverse's backbone. In contrast, the main aim of Web 3 is to develop a decentralized web that only uses blockchain technology. The benefit of using blockchain technology is that users can connect with services on the internet, allowing transactions above with individuals, businesses, and services. Crypto. Crypto that is associated with Web 3 can provide services that were offered previously as cloud providers. These services include processing crypto, bandwidth, identification, storage, and hosting services. The growth of cryptocurrencies in the last decade, particularly in the previous 5 years, has been staggering. With the massive growth of cryptocurrencies and Web 3, developers have been working on improving the technology integrated into crypto by making these technologies more scalable than before, highly secure, and incredibly efficient. Although they may be entirely different concepts, Web 3 is mentioned in the same breath as crypto because both share the element of decentralization at their core, with all users having access to equal areas. You should watch out for cryptocurrencies including Theta, Filecoin, Chainlink, and Helium. This list will undoubtedly grow as soon as Web 3 launches worldwide. NFTs. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, is a digital asset that allows for ownership using blockchain technology. These tokens are unique because a simple screenshot cannot replicate them, and they can't hold the exact value of another NFT. Being utterly unique, NFT culture has made a massive break in digital art, gaming, music, and various other collectibles. That isn't where NFTs stop. There is massive potential for NFTs to be tokenized as physical assets, such as art, in our natural world. However, the area which is currently left untapped in terms of NFTs is real estate. The moment real estate properties are integrated as NFTs will be an excellent transformation point, because NFTs will then start to have value in our real world. Tokens like these that are irreplaceable have a uniqueness in them. If anybody tries to produce a counterfeit of such a token, then the rightful owner of that token will have nothing to worry about. With NFTs in Web 3, ownership is something that is significantly stressed. Gaming. Gamers will have the time of their lives in Web 3. People who don't typically game might turn into gamers because Web 3 is going to bring about opportunities where players can play to earn digital currency. With games being the earliest application of Web 3, the potential these applications will have in the space will be unbelievable. These games built on the blockchain will have the flexibility of transferring in-game objects to other games. In its initial stages, blockchain games have shown great potential, and with Web 3 as the backbone of these games, we can expect bigger and better worlds in games coupled with new kinds of economies. The best examples of games that utilize the play-to-earn model are games by Axie Infinity, which serves as a platform where people can earn rewards in the form of cryptocurrency by playing the game. Augmented and virtual reality. Seeing things on our computer screen being brought into real life seemed only a concept a few decades ago. But with Web3, this is something that can be turned into a reality. Connecting the virtual and physical world is one of the major focuses of Web3. The metaverse is working on it, and augmented and virtual reality are two concepts garnering a lot of attention for this purpose. The Internet of Things, or IoT, will allow digital interfaces to combine with our real-world objects, making it possible for humans to interact with absolutely everything on Web3. Web3 will also offer a more personalized browsing experience because AR will help. Web3 will make the world go through a massive transition in digital terms where people can interact with each other. VR will branch out into virtual reality commerce, where blockchain technologies will be the core. The demand for technologies involving blockchain will give rise to VR interaction in the majority of programs. It will help in making the lives of users easier and more convenient. Web3 will come into platforms that prioritize security and convenience for every user. Web3 is anticipated to be an experience that will be the next major transition in our digital world. While we thought online payments and streaming platforms were the pinnacles of what technology has to offer at this time, the infrastructure of Web3 is not to be ignored. A solid blockchain foundation is what Web3 is built on, and this foundation will benefit us. We shall have to wait and see what Web3 holds in store for us, because with the entire blueprint laid out, executing it is what remains. Is this an eyebrow-raising concept? Definitely. But if it succeeds, which it most likely will, our digital future will be safe and secure. Thanks for watching. Tell us down in the comments what you think about Web3 and its impact on gaming. And guys, don't forget to share this video with your friends. We're going to keep you updated, so share it with your friends, family, and everyone. For more insightful and helpful videos, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, and we'll see you next time.